Well, good afternoon everybody, and welcome to my instructional video on laptop repair. Now, there's a couple of things that you need to make very sure before you start. Firstly, we have a good solid worktop, and of course a nice clean, preferably lint-free cloth, just to make sure that nothing nasty is going to get into our machine. This is the laptop that needs fixing. It's got a few things wrong with it. And obviously there's a number of components to the machine: keyboard, screen. I've already removed the hard drive which sits under this cover. Don't need to remove the battery for this. What we do need to do, however, is take some of these small screws out. Now, as you may or may not be aware, different laptops use different screws. So we have a selection of screwdrivers. I'll just come a bit closer and show you these. There's a Phillips head screwdriver, there's a Torx head screwdriver, and of course a good old flathead screwdriver. And it's obviously very important to make sure that we use the right screwdriver for the job. But we have a problem. This laptop doesn't take Phillips screwdrivers or flathead screwdriver or a Torx screwdriver. So we need some other way of getting into the case. Now, I've given this some considerable thought, and I think perhaps that's a start. And as you can see, that's nicely released the keyboard, and the floppy drives come out, and we've sorted with the battery. We have a little bit of a problem in that the mouse pad and some other components haven't quite come free, so we can use the slightly more technical solution to get some of the other bits out. That's dealt with the fan. We really want to work on the screen separately though, so oh, there we go. Look, that should make life a little bit easier. We can now get in and sort it out a bit better. Perhaps we could get the screen off.
Ow.
Stubborn screens on these models. Oh, it's coming. And there we go. Now we have our screen successfully removed. We can begin to repair the broken part. Here endeth the lesson.